All right, let's get you the biggest story of the day, because here has been the most fiercest attack that came in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself. The context that we are talking to is a statement and another controversial one that has been given by Rahul Gandhi's mentor. The Indian Overseas Congress President Sam Pitroda has gone on a shocking racist rant against all Indians. This will make every Indian's blood boil. He has now likened Indians to Chinese, Africans, and even Arabs. That's not all. You have to actually listen to believe it exactly when it comes to on the basis of appearance. He's judging every Indian citizen.
We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa. We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa.
Meanwhile, when it comes to his most fiercest attack on this very statement that has been made by Sam Pitroda, Prime Minister Narendra Modi a short while back tore into the Congress and has dared the Congress leadership, including Rahul Gandhi, to break his silence, saying that Sam is Shehzada's mentor and guide. Abuse me, don't insult my countrymen. This is the statement coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
ये शहजादे के फिलोसोफर एंड गाइड अंकल ने बड़ा रहस्य खोला है। उसने कहा है कि जिनका चमड़ी का रंग काला होता है ये सब अफ्रीका के हैं। मतलब आप सबको, मेरे देश के अनेक लोगों को चमड़ी के रंग के आधार पर उन्होंने इतनी बड़ी गाली दे दी। तब जाकर के मुझे समझ आया कि चमड़ी का रंग देख करके उन्होंने मान लिया कि द्रौपदी मुर्मू भी अफ्रीकन है और इसलिए उनकी चमड़ी का रंग काला है तो उनको हराना चाहिए। ये सोच आज पहली बार मुझे तो पता चला कि ये दिमाग कहां काम कर रहा है इनका, ये देश को कहां ले जाएंगे। अरे चमड़ी का रंग कोई भी हो, हम तो श्री कृष्ण की पूजा करने वाले लोग हैं, जिसकी चमड़ी का रंग यहां हम सब जैसा रंग था।
Well, we've been also speaking to the people coming from different states in the country. They have condemned Sam Pitroda's statement openly.
Have you seen the comments of Sam Pitroda where he compares the people from India, the different parts of India, to different country people, and mostly because of color? How do you see this?
Yes, I did see this thing happening in the news channel today, and that's very wrong of anybody to talk like that. Him being on that particular position, it's really very wrong to say like that. And he has commented and stated that we South Indians look like Africans. Point to be noted that Nelson Mandela, sir, was also an African who did a very good job, and he's a renowned person right now. We talk greatly about him, and that doesn't make him any different from the other Africans also. So I would take this as a compliment, but that's really not right for somebody to be so racial on color, creed, and we live in a democratic country. Not only him, nobody has the right to talk about one's color, one's look. So that's just not fair on him to talk like that. Yes, many of us are offended, but what's done is done. But this was absolutely not required for him to drag something like this into his political, career or whatever. Yeah.
And do you think the Congress should come out and take a stand at this point, because it's not an individual Sam Pitroda. He obviously represents a party, one national party which has ruled India for decades. So what do you think the Congress should do now?
Congress should do so many things actually in the first place, which is not happening very clearly. And had Congress taken a very clear stand earlier, in the first place these sentences wouldn't have come out only. So there is a planned thing behind, okay? So you can't expect anything from Congress to come and take a stand now, because everything is done now. had see, there is a propaganda for everything, I believe, okay, whether it is politics or anything. You just cannot come in public and talk unprepared. So I believe everything that was stated on a public forum is a well prepared thing, is what I personally believe. Not hurting here anyone's sentiment, but that's what I personally believe. So now if you're expecting Congress to come and do something, I'm really sorry. I don't think they will come and do anything. In the first place, they should have done this earlier when someone is passing a statement like that. But if really they can do something, means they should really apologize for the sentiments that they have hurt of Indian, because we live in a diversified country. So every people is different. So they are different. You cannot just pass a statement like that. But yeah, if they really want to get this done properly, maybe they can just apologize. That's the least that they can do right now, actually.
Thank you so much. Let's talk to some more people. Sir, I'm pretty sure you must have seen by now the comments made by Sam Pitroda. It's definitely hurt the sentiments of a lot of people. And comparing South Indians, particularly us, saying that we look like Africans, not to degrade Africans or anything. They are also a lovely community. But calling us in the base of racist slurs is definitely very derogatory. So what do you think about this?
This is another hua to hua moment from Sam Pitroda. I think it's. I did see the Statesman interview, and it's become habitual. It's obsessive for them, and I don't know what's the. It's a race, to give BJP ammunition after ammunition. Before one dies down, another one comes up. It's become so compulsive for the Congress, especially Sam or Jairam Ramesh or Rahul Gandhi for that matter.
However, there have been others in the Congress party when this question was asked on what they make of Sam Pitroda's statement, they have been remaining unapologetic. However, they have been saying that the context of Sam Pitroda's statement first must be understood.
देखिए, इस तरह के बयान जो है, भारत भारत है, इंसान इंसान है, इंसान के सबके दो आँख है, दो कान है, एक नाक है, किसी के ज़्यादा तो नहीं है। तो इंसानियत के रूप में पहचानने की ज़रूरत है। अब नाक से, कपड़े से, ड्रेस से पहचानने की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
सर, हम पहले भी देखते आ रहे हैं कि सैम पित्रोदा की तरफ से विवादित बयान आ रहे हैं। वहीं सर, लगातार जो देश के नागरिक हैं वो सोशल मीडिया पे ये लिख रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस को इस तरीके के बयान नहीं देने चाहिए। कांग्रेस के जो हाई कमांड है उनको सैम पित्रोदा को बोलना चाहिए कि इस तरीके के बयान से बचें।
नहीं, देखिए, सैम पित्रोदा ने अब किस संदर्भ में कहा है, एक तो देखना होगा किस संदर्भ में कहा है, किस परिस्थिति में कहा है, किस विश्लेषण में कहा है। वो बिना जाने जो है उसका अर्थ लगाने लेना भी उचित नहीं होगा।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।